Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to create a React app from scratch using our Vscode. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our new video every Saturday. Like I said, I'll be dropping a new video for us every Saturday. So with that being said, let's get into my laptop screen right now. In order to create a React app, I assume that you already have your Vscode installed, Node package manager installed, short for npm, and Node installed on your laptop. Once you have these three things set up, you are good to go. Now to create it, you just need to type this command you see on my screen. So what this does is, this is the tool we are using, npm. Just like I said today, we'll need to have npm installed on our laptop. Then we are calling the create method, or should I say function, and we are using this to vite to create it. This myApp here is the name of your folder, of your project folder, your React app folder. Then this is telling us the templates that we use to create our React app, and this is the template, and we are selecting the template as React. Now you see, after loading from here, it showed us something, package manager, myApp, of course. Then we click enter. Then from here it gives us a menu. You just select the one that you want. If you are using vanilla, you can of course select it there. If you are using Vue, you can select it there, but our major concern is React, so we select React using our up and down arrow on our laptop or computer, or should I say keyboard. Keyboard, yeah, that's the right keyboard, and click enter. Then from here, if you are a TypeScript person, that is, you are using TypeScript, you can also click enter from here. But we are using JavaScript, so we use the up and down arrow button on our keyboard to select JavaScript and click enter. Once done, we cd into our project folder, which is, in my case, is myApp. Once done, we click, you write what this command you see on my screen, npm install. This will install all the dependencies and packages needed for our React app to be fully functional. So it's going to take like 2 to 3 minutes. So while we wait, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if there is anything you would like me to improve on my video, please let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like my video as well and share to other friends that are in need of such video. And the last thing is to run npm run dev. And once this is successful, to know if this is successful, you will get a link like what you will see on my screen right now. If otherwise, you need to go back to the whole video and watch the whole process again.